Okay, now it's time to see another program, that is a Python program to check a Armstrong number. When I say an Armstrong number, what exactly is a Armstrong number is a question. So a number is called Armstrong number if it is equal to the sum of cubes of its own digits. Okay, I repeat, what is an Armstrong number? A number is called Armstrong number if it is equal to the sum of the cubes of its own digits. For example, let me consider 153 is my Armstrong number, since I'll be just taking up a cubes of 153. Okay, single digits. That is, what is a cube of 1? 1 cube is 1 plus what is 5 cube? 5 cube is 125 and 3 cube is 27. So when I add up 125 with 1 is 1, it turns out to be 126. 126 plus 3 cube is 27. So 126 plus 27 is turns out to be 153. So as a sum, I'll be getting it as a 153 when I cube it. So this is how I check whether the given number is a Armstrong number or not. So let's write a program for it now. So I'm gonna take a new file for it, new, and then Python file. Okay, Armstrong. Okay, Armstrong number underscore num. Okay. And then save it. So first thing what I need here is I need to take the input from the user, right? Yes or no? The user should enter a number that I'm gonna check it as whether the entered number is a Armstrong number or not. So integer should be an integer. Sorry, yeah. Then input, then enter a number, right? Next step, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna initialize my sum is equals to 0. Okay, and then I'll take another variable, that is temp variable is equals to my number. Whatever the user enters, it should get assigned to your temp. Okay, now next thing I'm gonna take up a while loop. Okay, wherein if my temp is greater than 0, what it has to do, it has to perform something, right? So this is the logic which I'm gonna write. With the help, I'll take up another variable called digit equals to temp mod 10. Okay, this logic we have already used in finding up some of the digits, right? So what will this mod function do? It will return a last digit for us, right? When I say example 153, when I enter 153 mod 10 is nothing but how much? What will be the remaining? It is nothing but 3 will be remaining, so that gets added assigned to your digit, right? So next thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write it as sum is equals to sum plus sorry, okay, sum is equals to not sum plus, that is digit. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take it as digit, whatever the value I get there, and just multiply it. Okay, the digit is being multiplied into 3. Next thing what I'm gonna do, so sum is equals to sum plus digit into 3. I can write it in either way, sum plus is equals to, or sum is equals to sum plus digit into 3. Next thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take up another temp variable and divide it with 10, right? So when I perform this operation, what happens here is I'll be getting the remaining two numbers. For example, when I do, let me consider I have a number called 153. So when I perform these operations, what happens here is everything will be done. Later on, I extract my last digit, that is third digit. After extracting the third digit, I want 15 as a number which I should get. Okay. So in order to get that 15 number, what I'm gonna do, I'll divide it with a 10. So when I divide it, I'll be getting as a 15. Okay. Okay. Next what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna check, I'm gonna have a if condition. If num is equals to sum, what it has to print, it has to print num comma num comma is a Armstrong number, else print num comma it is not an Armstrong number. Okay, so I'll just try to run this particular program. Okay, here I'm gonna find the mod of it, then whatever the value I get, I'm gonna multiply. Initially the sum was 0, so 0 plus digit is nothing but whatever the remaining I get, that into 3 it is gonna take. That is, here I'll be getting the remaining as 3, so 3 cube, right, is nothing but how much? 3 cube is 27, so 27 gets added up. Then temp was 153, so 153 divided by 10 is how much? I'll be taking question from there. So 153 divided by 10 is 15, right? So I'll be taking the question from there, and then I'll be storing it into the temp, which will be nothing but 15. So again, 15 is greater than 0. The same thing continues here. Okay, let me run a program. Enter a number 168. That is not an Armstrong number. Okay, let me rerun the program. Debug Armstrong, stop and rerun. Okay, enter a number 153. Sorry, I'll just rerun it. Enter a number 153. So 153 is a Armstrong number. Okay, so when I calculate the cube of 1, 5 and 3, I'll be getting the sum also as a 153. So then I call out it to be a Armstrong number. So this is how you calculate or identify whether the given number is a Armstrong number or not. I hope the things are clear now, and we shall see the another program in my next video.